Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart 12-cup totally programmable coffee maker. It has a really nice carafe with ergonomic handle. It also has a guard here so that your knuckles never touch the hot pot. It's really easy to lift and pour a cup of coffee for yourself without dripping. The other thing that's really nice too is it has a brew pause feature. So if you're an impatient coffee drinker like I am, you can actually remove the pot while it's actually in the brewing process, pour your cup and put it back, and the coffee maker will continue brewing. Like I mentioned, it's totally programmable. It's programmable for any 24-hour period. You can program it to go on. You can also program it to go off. It has a 1 to 4 cup setting, so if you're doing a small amount of coffee, you still get a great flavorful taste. And also we include several things for you. First is the gold tone filter. And the gold tone filter is permanent, so all you do is empty your grounds afterwards, rinse it out, and it's totally reusable. The other thing you should know about gold tone filters is that you'll have a little more sediment in the coffee in the bottom, so if that's something that you prefer to eliminate, we recommend that you use the paper filter. When you're using the paper filter, you don't use the gold tone filter, so it's one or the other. The other thing is that when you use the paper filter, you have virtually no sediment in your coffee. We also give you a coffee scoop with the product, and also a charcoal water filter. And the charcoal water filter will eliminate things like impurities such as chlorines, taste, and odor. You should always treat the water filter before you put it in the coffee maker, and we just recommend that you soak it and rinse it and just follow the instructions in the manual that you get with your coffee maker. And there you have it, the Cuisinart 12-cup fully programmable coffee maker.